In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the GoHighLevel SaaS Snapshot. Whether you're new to GoHighLevel or simply looking to optimize your experience with the platform, this guide will walk through the process step by step. By the end, you'll be better equipped to take advantage of this feature for your business needs. First, let's talk about what a GoHighLevel SaaS Snapshot really is and why it's so beneficial. Within the platform, you'll find that SaaS onboarding snapshots offer structured templates that can greatly simplify your workflow. These snapshots include demo account templates, which can serve as starting points for you to tailor solutions to your clients more effectively. Additionally, you'll benefit from agency automation systems designed to streamline tasks and improve efficiency. With these ready-to-use components, you'll be able to hit the ground running and devote more time to growing your business. Now let's dive into the steps you need to take to access and utilize these snapshots. Start by navigating to the GoHighLevel SaaS platform. Once you're logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to what's known as the agency view. This is essentially your control center, where you have access to all your accounts and the tools you need to manage them effectively. In the agency view, look for the section labeled Accounts. This is where you'll find a comprehensive list of all the accounts you manage. The next step involves selecting the Snapshots option. This is crucial because it's where the magic happens. It's where the various snapshot options are available for you to explore. After entering the Snapshot section, you'll notice a feature labeled Load Snapshot. Clicking on this will open up a new window that allows you to browse through a variety of available templates. Take your time here, as there's a wide range of templates tailored to different business scenarios and needs. Whether you're setting up a demo account for a potential client or refining your own platform infrastructure, these templates are designed to make your tasks far simpler and more intuitive. As you browse, consider which templates align best with your current objectives. If you're running an agency, you may lean towards templates that facilitate robust automation, which will save you a significant amount of time in the long run. The beauty of the GoHighLevel platform is that it offers flexibility, allowing you to customize selected templates to fit unique customer requirements. So there you have it. By leveraging the GoHighLevel SaaS Snapshot, you open the door to a more efficient and streamlined way of managing your business needs. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject and that you're now ready to apply these steps in your own setup. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insightful guides and